Hi, I'm Joseph Galati with Galati Yacht Sales. Today we're on a 2018 45 Cantius named Perfect Match. Just to point out a few key features on this boat, we have a large hydraulic swim platform that can support a tender, a great cockpit area here for entertaining, a convertible sunbed that electrically extends out this way, bar stools, opening glass panel to get access to your galley, a grill here, ice maker and refrigerator, and then down below you have a really large spacious engine room, making it easy to work on everything. In the galley here, you can fully serve your cockpit area as well as your dinette here. You have great countertop space, a very large sink, refrigerator, freezers, and plenty of storage. In the salon here, this boat has fantastic visibility all the way around with large windows and electrically opening sunroof. And this boat has protective tint on all the windows, including the sunroof, keeping out all the heat and protecting all your upholstery on the inside. Here at the helm, we have twin Garmins that have full radar, autopilot integrated, backup camera, engine room camera, everything you need. And then this boat does have the Volvo IPS system with the joystick, making it super easy to operate.